Hey guys, it's James here. How you doing? It's the middle of the coronavirus challenge at the moment. I want to give you some ideas about how you can help your business. So what we've done is put together some information, some power sessions we're calling them. So we're going to have 15-minute power sessions around how you can do certain things in your business. These are completely free. Most of the stuff that you're going to be able to use in these sessions is going to be free as well. People who are using certain pieces of workshop software, for example, you'll be able to jump into workshop software. Either me or one of my experts, guys that I've got on my team, are going to give you a power session around a particular part of how workshop software works. Now, one of those things is the communication center. In this challenging time, we've got to communicate with our clients, right? So we've got to be out there, we've got to be letting know our customers what's going on, what's happening, that kind of thing. So we want to really give some pieces of information. Now, I was just going to share with you literally a text message that I got about 15 minutes ago. This is from, a kind of an aligned sort of business, but it's from a car wash, right? So, dear customer, Car Star Wash is now offering a free ethanol-based sanitizer and antibacterial clean with every wash to all interior touch surfaces of your vehicle. Now, that's a text message that I literally received 20 minutes ago, and it's one of those things that we can be sending out to our customers. How do we send them out a text message? How do we send them out an email? How do we let them know, hey mate, you still need to service and repair your car? So we've got the communication center inside workshop software. It's an awesome tool. We've got a power session about how to use it and how to get the most out of it. So hook up for one of those. Click the link down below to book in. Really straightforward process. Set yourself a time. It's going to be a 15-minute session, and we'll run you through exactly how that works and get you powering and get you working with your clients and communicating with them. Thanks for watching. If you love the videos, give us a feedback. Love a thumbs up, anything like that. Any questions, comments, love to hear them. Cheers, guys. Stay safe, stay strong.